Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can customize or basically change the app logo on your iPhone or iPad. It's really easy, and let me show you how. So basically you will need to have the app called Shortcuts and basically photo that you want to basically change the appearance of the app, right? So if you do not have the Shortcuts app on your phone, probably you have, but if you don't, go on the App Store and write Shortcuts and basically download this app. And once you do that, press open on this app, and then on a top right corner there is a little plus icon. You need to press on that, and then what you need to do here is to press on Add Action and then press on Scripting. This is the basically third option, and then press on Open App and then press Choose, and then basically choose the app that you want to change the appearance. As you can see here, I will basically change the appearance of Instagram, and then what you need to do here is press Next. That is on the top right corner, and then basically create a shortcut name. So I will do Instagram 1 because I have Instagram already, and then press Done. And as you can see here, there is our shortcut Instagram 1. So what you need to do here next is press on Instagram 1 3 little dots that is on a top right corner. And as you can see here, then what you need to do here is also press on 3 little dots that is on the top right corner, and then press Add to Home Screen. And then what you need to do here, as you can see here next to Instagram 1, there is a little icon. You need to press on that and choose you can take a photo right now, or you can choose photo from your library. So I will choose the photo and I will press on this one and press Choose. And as you can see here, this is basically the logo that I uploaded to my Instagram shortcut. Press Add, press Done, and that's pretty much it. If we go back on our homepage, as you can see here, I have basically Instagram with a changed logo. Alright, so guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.